Hey sweet spring vibes, check out this cute and colorful crochet keychain holder. It's not just adorable keychain, it's super useful too. You can hide your lighter or lipstick inside it, look here, and always have it with you in the cutest way possible. It's fun, it's practical, and it make the perfect gift too. Grab your yarn and let's dive into some fun stitches. Start with magic ring or make a ring by chaining 5 and join with the slip stitch to the first chain like this. Here is our little ring. Then make 2 chains and make 12 double crochet into the ring. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the circle, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Don't forget, you must making your stitches over your tail of the yarn from the first. Now we're gonna making 12 double crochet in the circle. Okay, do it until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Don't count 2 chains in the start as a chain or a stitch, sorry. For the fasten off with the needle, insert your needle under the second stitch here, bring that out and insert it again into the first stitch from the place that your tail of the yarn is out from there, and then move between the stitches and hide the tail of the yarn and cut it. Okay, with your next color, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, hold it in there, and then start from any stitches you like. Bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how I make double crochet in the start of the row, and then make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch and 1 chain. Okay, go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet into there, 1 and 2 plus 1 chain. Again, do this for all the stitches you have on your round. 2 double crochet plus 1 chain into each stitch. Do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet here. Make a slip stitch in there, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. You can crochet it in any color you like. It can be made in single color, 2 color, or even multiple color like me. If you're using just 1 color, simply keep crocheting without changing the yarn at the end of the rows and just following the pattern that I'll show you. Okay, hiding the tail of the yarn. Don't push too hard the needle. Cut the tail of the yarn. This is our round 3, and for the next round, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn and hold it. Start from any chain space and bring the yarn out, pull through 2 and pull through 2 loops. Again, make 2 more double crochet into the same space, 1 and 2. Without no chain, go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet into there, 2 and 3. Again, go to the next stitch, into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet into there. Okay, do this until the end of the row. Here, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Again, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Which color would you choose for your mushrooms? Tell me in comment below. I would be happy to know it. Okay, and what should I crochet next using granny square? I'm all ears. Just tell me your ideas in comment below if you want. Okay, cut the tail of the yarns and go for the next round. Okay, for the next round, making a slip knot on your hook again. Wrap a yarn around your hook again, hold it, start from any space between two clusters of 3 double crochet and make a double crochet in there. Again, 2 more. Actually, we are making 3 double crochet into each space between the clusters of 3 double crochet in this round without no chains. Okay, do this until the end, just making 3 daisies into the spaces between the clusters of 3 double crochet. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, as usual, join with the slip stitch and cut and hide the tail of the yarn. If you like my video, please tap the subscribe button, and your support means the world for me. And please tag a friend who'd love to crochet too, and send it to your some friends who need a smile today. Okay, for the next round, again make a slip knot and make a double crochet into the first space, make 2 more double crochet in there, and this round make 3 double crochet into the each spaces between the two clusters of 3 double crochets again. Okay, you can repeat this round for a few more rounds and make it as big as you want, but I think the size of it is okay, and just keep going along with my diagram and with the size that I made. Okay, and now for the next round, for the border of it, make a slip knot on your hook and start from the front loop. Look, this is our stitch. Here is our stitch. This is our front loop. This is a back loop. We are working on the front loop. Okay, bring the yarn out from the front loop and making your stitches in the front loop in this round. Okay, make a chain, go to the previous stitch here in the front loop, bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops. Okay, again into the previous stitch, the front loop, bring the yarn out from there and pull through 2 loops. Again, just keep going along with making a single crochet in the backward. Okay, this is the crab stitch or the reverse single crochet. Okay, just working in the front loops, making the reversed single crochet into the each stitch until the end. In the end, cut the tail of the yarn and insert your needle into the first stitch that you made inside it. Look, I show you. Here is our first stitch. Insert your needle inside it and bring it out, and then hide the tail of the yarn. Okay, this is our cap of the mushroom. For the girls, make a magic ring like this, make an X around your finger and bring the yarn out under it, make a chain, and then make 3 chains, 2 more chains actually, and then make 12 double crochet into the magic ring. You know how to make double crochet. Okay, making 12 double crochet into the magic ring. Do this until the end of this round. Gently pull the starting yarn just enough to leave a small hole in there, not too tight. Okay, then make a slip stitch into the first double crochet, then make 3 chains as a 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and now make 2 double crochet into the each stitches in this round. Okay, make 2 double crochet into the each stitch. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain, and now for the round 3, make 3 chains and 1 more double crochet into the same stitch, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and again into the next stitch make 2 double crochet, again into the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Okay, do this until the end of the row. 2 double crochet into the 1 stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, just keep going along with this diagram until the end of the row. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain, and now in this round just keep going along by making a 1 double crochet into the each stitches, just making 1 double crochet into the each stitch. Do this until the end. In the end, after that, you join your round, place it into the cap, and let me fix it with my hook here. And now we must joining our gills to the cap by insert our hook into the back loop of the cap and bring the yarn out from there, and now make a chain and in the back loop of the gills and back loop of the cap, insert our hook into the both of them and make a slip stitch in there. Look, the back loop of the both side, and bring the yarn out from there and make a slip stitch in there. Okay, just keep going along with the making a slip stitch until the end. In the end, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. And this is the cap angles of the mushroom. As I said to you, you can make it in any color you like. Okay, look, and I hide my tail of the yarn between the stitches and fasten off. Move between the stitches very slowly. Cut the tail of the yarn, and now for the half face, this is our cap. Now for the hyphae, bring your next color, make a ring by magic ring or making 5 chains and join with the slip stitch, and then make 2 chains, make a little ring in there, and then make 6 single crochet into the ring. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first stitch here, and for the next round make a chain and make a 2 single crochet into the each stitches, 2, 3. Okay, just making 2 single crochet into the each stitches until the end. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. For round 3, making 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, just making 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, okay, until the end. In the end, total of our stitches must be 18 single crochet, okay. And for the round 4 to round 10, just keep going along by making 1 single crochet into the each stitches, okay. Then into the round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, just making 1 single crochet into the each stitches without no increasing the stitches, okay. While back in the round 11, in the round 11 we must decrease our stitches by making 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into the first and second stitch in the first loop, bring the yarn out from there, and then make pull through 2 loops, okay. Again 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch make 1 single crochet, and insert your hook into the first loop of the both stitches in the next stitch, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops, okay. Look, insert your hook into the both front loops, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops, okay. I hope you learn it very well, okay. Just keep going along with making 1 single crochet into the each 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and decrease the stitch. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first chain here. And now for the round 12, 13, 14 to 20, okay. Just keep going along by the diagram and make a 1 single crochet into the each stitch like this. In the end, after that, you making your around 20 at the start, just making 15 stitches, find your middle stitch and make a slip stitch in there and cut the tail of the yarn and secure it between the stitches, okay. And now insert your hook into the hole of the cap and bring the chains up there like this, and done. Now you can hide your lipstick or lighter in there. I love the lighters and I have a collection of them, okay. Place them into the mushroom and done. You can also add a keyring to your charm like this. Bring your keyring and insert your chains inside it and flip it into it like this, okay. I hope you enjoy of making this little rainbow mushrooms keychain with me. And if you like it, don't forget to like, leave comments, and do subscribe for more colorful crochet creation. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.